Welcome back. Some news coming in. Big relief to the GMR Group. The GMR Group had filed an appeal before the Singapore tribunal challenging the cancellation of its contract for the international airport in the Maldives. The Maldivian government had cancelled that airport. The Singapore court has now stayed the termination of the contract. Amitabh Revi joins us on the phone line for more. Amitabh, what happens now? How binding is this really? Because we do know the Maldivian government refused to pay any compensation and said they were in their rights to cancel that contract.
Well, it's an ongoing legal process, so we're still waiting for more details from the Singapore court. That's the International Court of Arbitration where this matter has been laid. It was there even before the termination of the contract. So what exactly the court has said, we're not sure at this moment, except that we know that GMR has obtained a stay on the termination of the airport contract in Male. The Maldivian government also, who we've spoken to, have not reacted as yet. They're saying it'd be too early since they want to see the details of that. But it is a step that gives some relief to GMR, because they were arguing that this contract could not be terminated unless some conditions within that contract were approved or were facilitated, which include the compensation that you were talking about. The Maldivian government, on the other hand, says they are using two parts of law, which mean that the contract was null and void ab initio. That's from the beginning itself, which means that they don't have to fulfill the agreements within that contract. So we just have to see how that plays out. But what we do know for now, this is a relief for GMR as of now. Let's see how it pans out legally.
All right, and Amitabh, of course, India was very unhappy in the manner in which this contract was cancelled. In fact, there have been rumblings about how it could affect ties between the two countries.
That's also true, though the Indian government is treading cautiously there. There were some words of caution from the Indian side, both from Salman Khurshid and from the Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson as soon as this happened. Salman Khurshid, in fact, just as recently as a couple of days ago, but he also put out a note of caution saying GMR does not equal the DOI, that's the government of India, though it is an Indian company and the largest foreign investor in the Maldives. 511 million is what the contract was worth.
All right, Amitabh, thanks so much for joining us there. So that's the big news just coming in, some relief to the GMR Group after the Singapore Tribunal, International Court for Arbitration, has stayed that cancellation. GMR Group was in charge of the international airport at the Maldives, of making it as well as handling it, and it was a $511 million contract. In fact, the Maldivian government refusing to pay any compensation as well. GMR sources have called this a victory of light over darkness.